today is just about an hour or so before I'm going to get my hair styled at the salon. And when I get it styled, I'm going to get it colored. Because if you notice, there is some gray popping up. I colored a lot of it this morning when I was going to work. But it's still popping up a little bit. But there it is. There's the hair. You can see some of the gray. I'm just going to comb it out a little bit because it's a lot better when I comb it before I go to the salon. And so here we go. All right. Here we go. See the back. See the back. Walk over here. You can see the back. And we're back over here. Combing it. So there's the side part. And then if I part it down the front, all right, you can see even more. See it? I can even see it. So it looks like snow. Okay, look at it. All right, it is woofed up. And so I'm gonna get all that. So this is like a before. This is like a before picture, okay? So we got before going to the salon. And see that white going down there? And I don't think you can see it in the back. Mostly it's usually like in the parts. It's mainly in the parts. Backing up. All right. So here we go. So here is before. Before the salon. Before.